Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Light work today. Light work. Hey, painted those steps. What do you think? Had some gray deck paint. Used it before. Thought I'd paint the steps. What about that mat? Told you I'd get it. Well, I was thinking about it. Eventually got it. Okay, up here, I got a new self-watering pot. I love it. Great price. Oh yeah, let's come around and see what we're working with. Tiki torch is somewhat in the way. Okay, hanging baskets. Again, last year, they were the star of the show. This year, we'll see. Over here, oh man, weather is nice. Blue sky, very little clouds. Vincas finally came in. I've been looking for them. Wanted to do my work early, but the Vincas are a big part of what I do. They weren't in the stores, but they're here now. You know what? It's a good sign when I already have the screen up. We're moving fast. Look at that sky. Man, amazing. This is what you want to see. You know what, guys? Sprayed some cutter. You've seen me do it before. That's why I didn't show you. Didn't think you want to sit through that. Attached it to the water hose and put it down. No problem. Plan on going to Home Depot, going to buy some spikes, and when I come back, I'm going to take care of the pots. Let's check on the cardinal rose bushes before we go. Growing fast. Beautiful. Like what I see. What about the super blue lavender? Not a whole lot of water. Look at the results. Okay. What about the other one? Let's check on it. How you doing? You look great. What about the regular blue lavender? Okay. This one, this cardinal. Oh, yeah. You're wonderful. I ordered the liners for the hanging baskets from Amazon. Link will be in the description. Man, these Vincas make everything look so much better. Bad news, guys. Bad news. I destroyed the lounger. I was sitting on it. It ripped. I'm not big by any stretch of the imagination. How about we cheer up? Let's look at the lilies. Oh, yeah. All right. Starting to feel better already. I'm at a different Home Depot. Wanted to check this one out. Reason is my regular one is just not giving me what I need, if you know what I mean. One word, abundance. It's almost offensive. You know what? No political commentary. No political commentary. Whatever you want, guys. Whatever you want. Spikes for days. Very impressed. Might start coming to this one more often. Got everything I need. We're out of here. This Home Depot is on top of things. Gold star. Couldn't make a store run without stopping at Menards. Here to pick up some tiki torch fuel. Okay. And replace that lounger. What do you think? I decided on another one, just in case I want to sit back and chill. You know what I mean? We're making progress. It's all for a purpose. Pots look great. Paint as well. Like the mat. This weather's so fickle. Sunny one minute, cloudy the next. Think it's about to come down on us. That's just our cue to get out of here. Why don't we finish on top? You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.